and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be doing a drawing of a nursery rhyme. The nursery rhyme we're going to do is Little Miss Muffet. Do you want to do the nursery rhyme? You have it memorized.
Yeah. Okay. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds away. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Good job. Okay, so we're going to draw her with her bowl and a spoon, and then the spider coming down and scaring her. We're gonna use a marker. You can use a pencil or whatever you have, and let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
I want to make sure the eyes are closer up here so we have room for her whole body. So,
and the chair.
And the chair, yeah. So we're gonna do an eye here and an eye here. And then she's just got a little button nose like that. And then her mouth.
Mommy, when I do eyelashes now.
Oh yeah, we can do eyelashes too. Her eyelashes are just like surprised eyelashes like that.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, those are cute too. I like yours. So you can either do them like hers, where they come off the eye, or these that look like surprised ones. But I like yours too.
Did it!
Okay. And then these are like surprised eyebrows. Very good. All right. And then her ears are just across from her eyes.
I'm doing tiny.
And then you can just go like this. And then her hair, she's going to be wearing pigtails, can go like that. And then it can go kind of around like this. And around like this. So you do a curved line.
Am I doing great?
You are doing great. And then she's got little pigtails, so you do a curved line over and out like that.
Over and out.
And then at that point, you come back and meet up with the hair. And then the same thing over here. Over and out like that. And then come back. So those are her cute little pigtails. Then you can draw like little hearts for her little bows, for her pigtails. Cute. All right, so there's her surprised face. And now she's got this little collar for her dress.
Why?
That's just like an old style dress. So you draw these like a kind of a triangle right here, but then here's her collar like that. Yeah, good job. And then she's got kind of poofy sleeves. Okay, so this curve goes over and down, and then around.
She has puffy feet.
Mm-hmm. And then she's got these three little frills along there.
And then she's arms cut out of them.
Well, first, before we draw her arms, let's draw the top of the bowl. You're gonna have her bowl falling? Okay, that's fine. So follow hers if you want the bowl falling. If you want her still holding the bowl, do it with me. So you could just draw her hand like on her chest.
Well, mine is like this.
Oh, you're gonna draw her arm out? Okay. So mine's gonna have her holding her bowl, and then the arm goes over and up. Like that. And then the bowl would go like an upside down rainbow shape like that. So that's how...
Mommy, I want to see the spider in the bowl.
You want the spider in the bowl? Okay.
Yeah, eating it.
You
Just came.
Oh, that's funny. So that's what I'm doing for there. So you want to draw your upside down rainbow for her bowl. Good job. Okay, so now for her other arm, I'm going to have a curved line that way.
I want to draw the curve. Because this is the curve.
Oh, you're drawing the stuff in there? Okay. That's a good idea. Like that, those little bumpies and dots. Okay.
She's really full.
All right, so this is her other poofy sleeve. So I have a curved line up there and a curved line down here, and then a line bringing them together and then just some little ruffles. And then her arm is going to be coming straight out from it, like that. And then her thumb goes up, and then 3 ovals right here that represent her hand closing around the spoon. So here's the spoon top and the spoon bottom.
Mine is a circle.
Cool. So she's got her arm out holding the spoon, this hand holding the bowl, and then I'm going to draw her knee. One of her knees is going to go like this, because sometimes when you get scared, you like do funny things with your knees. You can like throw your legs up. So one of her knees is up here. So you draw a rainbow shape. Can you do that? Yeah, just like a rainbow shape kind of off to the side. And then you can draw one of her socks. So you make kind of a rectangle shape with some lines in it. And then a line underneath it. So that's her sock.
Timmy.
And you can draw like a bow, because her shoe is going to come down, like curved like that, and then over and back up. So that's her knee coming down. And then her other knee is going to be more like this. And then her sock with the lines in it.
It's still fun, but it falls like...
Whoa. And then her bow.
I want to draw some falling out of the bowl. Well,
Hold on, wait, we're doing the shoes right now.
it's falling
Oh,
out
it's
of
spilling out of the bowl? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we draw the other bow, and then her foot coming down, back, and over, connecting with it. So there's her 2 legs. Cute. I love your bows. I like those. Okay. So now we're going to draw her skirt.
Mommy, I want her running away. Actually, no.
Okay, so just watch how I'm going to draw her skirt. So I'm going to curve up and around her knees. Then it's going to come back over and out.
Up.
So I'm just kind of curving around her knees. And then I'm going to curve back over and up here.
I can't.
And then it's going to meet up over here. And it's going to meet up over here. So do you see how it kind of waves? Like she just made her skirt go whoosh. But then there's going to be a little bit down here too.
This is kind of hard with the bowl over here.
Well, you can just still draw a wavy line between them.
Like this?
Cute. Okay. And now we need to draw the stool she's sitting on. So right
Wait.
out here. And if you don't want her sitting on the stool anymore, if you want it looking like she jumped, you could draw the stool over here or down here so that it shows she jumped off of it. You could even draw the stool over here. So the stool is just basically, the top is right there. And then you've got a leg coming out like that. And then another leg coming out. And this one's kind of hidden for me. Yeah, so there's your stool that she's sitting on. Little Miss Muffet's out on her tuffet. So that's what her tuffet is, I guess.
Little Miss Muffet jumped off her tuffet.
Yeah, you're showing her getting frightened. But we haven't drawn the thing that's frightening her.
I need to draw a branch.
Ooh,
For the
spider. That's a good idea. So I'm just going to draw mine coming from
So
the
this
sky.
is the web.
So I'm going to draw my line
This
coming
is
down.
the web.
Oh yeah, you could draw a web. That's a good idea. So if you want to make it just easier, draw one line coming down and then kind of an oval. And then how many legs does a spider have?
I don't know.
It has 8. So you draw 4 on one
2,
side
3,
and then 4 on the
4,
other. 1.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So 4 on one side and 4 on the other.
Why is it over here?
Because I felt like with the spoon over here, having the spider over there gave it like the right
forgot about
And
her
bounce.
other side.
I love how yours turned out, and I love that yours is different than mine because illustrators draw things different than other illustrators. So even though we're going off of the same poem, we have different drawings than each other. Oh, I love it how hers is spilling. That is so cool. All right, so now we'll just need like color for her hair, which we'll probably do blonde, and then you can color her dress whatever color you want, her shoes, and the stool. So grab the colors that you'll need, and then you can pause the video when we show our colored pictures, and then you can look off of ours or draw or color whatever colors you want. So, all right, let's get coloring. You had so much fun drawing Little Miss Muffet with us, and we're going to be doing more nursery rhymes and stuff, so make sure you follow along so that you don't miss our future art videos. We'll see you later.
See ya!